Hey there, how are we all doing today? Today we're going to be doing another unboxing, and we're unboxing an Oris. Now this is an Oris limited edition, so those are always fun to take a look at. Oris comes out with these cool limited edition watches every year, different ones, and here, that's the little booklet, tells you everything about the watch and stuff. And on the top of the watch here, there you go, the Lake Baikal limited edition watch. Very cool little booklet, tells you a little bit about what they're supporting here in this limited edition. Lake Baikal is in Siberia, and it is the deepest freshwater lake. And there you can see some of the ice on top. That is important when we look at the watch later. Very, very cool. Beautiful pictures. There, check out that ice shot there. And yep. So this is a diver's Aquis, and the coloring is very similar to last year's model, the Clean Ocean and the Great Barrier Reef 3 and the Blue Whale. And here we go. Let's take a look at this. Get this guy out of here. Now the coloring's the same, but they changed it up a little bit. They made it look like it got frozen over the top, and there you go. The special box that comes with this. Now the limited edition is $1,999. That's a little different than the 2,000. Here you go. So you can see the color's similar, but it's a little bit different. The color combinations of last year's models were great, but this, you've got that almost that frozen look on the face. You know, it reminds you of ice. It's cool, very, very cool, and very striking. So why $1,999? Why not 2,000? Well, it was the year that Russia adopted Lake Baikal, and it's a special law that protects the lake. And that was in the year 1999. So thus $1,999. Pretty cool. So Oris wants to bring change for the better, improve the environment. They often say, if there's nowhere to dive, why would you need a dive watch? So they do these things to help. Here you can see the back, and this is a very special back. You can see it looks like the frozen ice. Very, very cool. And here you can see it on my wrist. So the watch is 43.5 millimeters, so about 44 millimeters. And you can see it's a nice size watch. It's a professional dive watch, goes down 300 meters, sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel. My wrist is a 7.5 inch wrist around, so hopes that gives you a better idea on size. And here you go, the great lume you get from an Oris Aquis. I'd like to take the time to thank you guys for checking out the video.